what is the case before your lordship. Now, your lordships, the Election Commission has justified this by saying that, sorry, that is per inquiry. That is a dishonest answer, and I'll explain why. If your lordships may kindly see the main appeal, Civil Appeal 333 of 2024. This is a point which was raised before the Election Commission at page 68. Civil Appeal number 333 of 2024, page 68. ये मेन अपील है,
निकाल के देना। ये
सिविल अपील
तो मेन के ऊपर रख देना चाहिए। ये 333 कह रहे हैं।
जी सिविल अपील 333 of 2024 at page 68. If your lordships and ladyship have it, this is the original order of the Election Commission denying us reserve seats. This argument was raised before the Election Commission. Did they say that that order was per incurium? No. What did they say? Page 87. Para 29. If your lordships and ladyship have it, I'll read para 29, page 87. My lords, your ladyship, I'll read. The learned counsel for the petitioner number 1, Sunni Ittihad Council, during his submitted an example of BAP in respect of allocation of reserved seat in the KP Assembly in 2019, but on the query for provision of any order of the Commission or any document in support of his argument, the Council did not provide any material evidence or order or document to assist the Commission. The Commission impliedly is denying the existence of its own documents. If this is not mala fides, what is mala fides?
The question is whether that order was proper, correct, in accordance with law, or that order was illegal. So forget about what the Election Commission says. Whether that order was in accordance with law?
Yes, yes. It was in accordance with law because, as I have submitted before your lordships, Section 104 and neither Article 151 requires that the schedule for submission of list of candidates has to be given before the elections, or that a new schedule cannot be given. Your lordships have seen the document.
Learned Counsel?
Yes, Mal.
Was that notification of returned candidates of BAP ever contested or challenged?
No.
So the Election Commission ought to, it is presumed that the Election Commission also knew that they were returned candidates.
Yes. इस ऑर्डर के दौरान ही कह देते सॉरी हमसे गलती हो गई, वो पर इंक्यूरियम था, आप उसको साइट नहीं कर सकते. They have completely denied as if these documents don't exist. That is, is this just? Is this fair? Is this honest? That's my first example.
फैसल सिद्दीकी साहब ये बताइए कि क्या बाप पार्टी ने इलेक्शन में हिस्सा लिया था?
बाप पार्टी ने खैबर पख्तूनख्वा के इलेक्शन में हिस्सा लिया था, लेकिन सीट्स नहीं मिली.
कोई सीट उनको नहीं
सीट नहीं मिली थी,
लेकिन उन्होंने इलेक्शन में हिस्सा
लिया था. जी,
आपका केस थोड़ा सा मुख्तलिफ है.
जी,
आपके केस में जो SIC है उसने इलेक्शन में हिस्सा नहीं लिया था, लिहाजा किसी हद तक के आपका केस मेरे हवाले से डिस्टिंग्विशेबल है. खैर, अभी आप अपने आर्ग्यूमेंट कंप्लीट कीजिए, उसके बाद अगर इसको थोड़ा सा आप वजाहत फरमाएंगे तो अच्छा हो जाए.
इसमें थोड़ा सा ऐड कर दूं कि क्या ये जो बाप पार्टी थी, नाम भी अजीब सा है, बलिस्तान अवामी पार्टी
जी,
तो क्या उसने ऐसी कोई प्रोविजन है कि अगर कोई पार्टी इलेक्शन कंटेस्ट करे, पाकिस्तान के बाकी कुछ हिस्सों में सीट्स ले ले, दूसरे सूबे में ना ले, और बाद में उस आज़ाद उसमें शामिल हो जाएं तो क्या वो पार्टी पहले से एग्जिस्ट नहीं कर रही थी पार्लियामेंट में?
Sir, keep
Did the independent join that party which was already in the parliament?
Sir, no, it was not in the assembly of the Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. That is the case of the election commission. If they had taken the stance that they have taken the stance this order is wrong, if they had said no, they contested, as your lordship has rightly indicated, that they contested elections in other provinces and the National Assembly, that is why we issued this second schedule. They issued this second schedule और वो schedule आपको दिखाया गया था और उसमें लिखा हुआ था कि हम एक नई डेट दे रहे हैं for non-submission of list of candidates. वो मैं आपको दोबारा नहीं दिखाऊंगा क्योंकि आप देख चुके. So my lord, this is a case of acting unfairly. They've acted unfairly.
Mr. Siddiqui, you said that word quite a few times. Please now.
बिल्कुल. I move on to my second point.
No, I have a question.
जी sir.
So we are bound by the interpretation of the Election Commission. Is that
No.
Is this a rule of interpretation?
No, that is not my.
Wait a second.
Ji.
Are you want us to take judicial notice of this fact?
No, that is
Why
not
are you
my-
referring to it?
I am referring to because I am showing to you.
Last and
Ji.
not least, if at all, who would have this seat gone to? Let's assume BAP is not there. So if you want us to open up the elections of 2018, we can do so, but you cannot just pick an isolated incident and tell us that it's binding on the Supreme Court or that is the correct interpretation of the Constitution. That's a very novel way to argue a case.
My lord, that is not my argument. All I'm trying to show is the arbitrariness
Hey, forget
and the
that.
unfairness
Why
of
don't
the
you
election.
attend to the case?
But that is all I'm trying to show. My second example of being unfair and arbitrary.
They're most unfair, let's assume that. So will that change the interpretation of the Constitution?
Because your lordship has again
वहाँ जाइए ना।
जी, because your lordship has again and again said, why should we intervene? One of the reasons why your lordship should intervene, if your lordship see that there is a kind of institutional hypocrisy at the heart of the election commission, they are discriminating against certain parties, that would be a
जो
ground for
2018
intervention.
के इलेक्शन थे वो सही थे. Maybe go there, then don't open these boxes which will embarrass you.
We are looking at this. So let me come to my second argument. The second argument is, my lord, their example that the reason why we should not be given reserve seats as far as non-Muslims are concerned is because there is this clause in our constitution which says that minorities cannot be admitted. Now, this is what the ancient Greeks classically.
ये तो रीजन नहीं थी, ये तो उन्होंने यहाँ
तो
का
नहीं है,
बताया
जी,
था. Neither in
This is
the
not the
नहीं है।
reason in the given order of the election commission. They have
बिल्कुल
only-
आपने सही कहा लेकिन सर ये शो करता है कि देखिए ये वो एंशिएंट ग्रीक्स कहते थे कि व्हेन यू कांट अटैक द आर्गुमेंट अटैक द पर्सन इट्स एन एड होमिनम अटैक.
तो एशियन ग्रीक्स ने आपको कहा है कि ये अपने रखे निकाल दें आप उसमें से.
मैं एक एग्जांपल
ये अच्छी बात है आपके हिसाब से, ये आईनी बात है.
मेरे
आपके हिसाब से अच्छी बात है.
मेरे हिसाब से अच्छी बात तो नहीं है मेरे
आईनी बात है. मैंने दो प्रोविजंस आपको रेफर किए थे आइन के.
जी सर आई रिजर्व माय
You're not entitled to reserve to answer.
No,
We can reserve.
my answer is no. I reserve my opinion on the issue of constitutionality. I
We are
don't think
asking
it's a
your
good.
opinion.
I don't think it's a good thing, but it shows institutional hypocrisy on the part of the
So what
election.
about yourself?
Sir, JUIF की सेम क्लॉज है, मैं उसके पेज आपको दिखा
देखिए पहली बात
और उनको माइनॉरिटी की रिजर्व सीट दे दी है.
नहीं, पहली बात उन्होंने कहा कि हमारी ऐसी कोई
मैं
प्रोविजन.
आपको दिखा देता हूँ.
चलिए वो हमारे सामने.
आप फैसल साहब, you try to understand this is not the ground for non-suiting you.
मैं सिर्फ आपको दिखा रहा हूँ सर.
Not the ground.
साहब
Election
आप
commission
आर्ग्यू
के
करें
order
ना,
में है ही
इन
नहीं.
चीजों में आप जा रहे हैं.
The only
not
thing
mentioned.
is,
We have noted.
lordship must
चलें,
see
ओके फाइन.
the unfairness of the election.
Why should we see the ground which is not mentioned in the impugned order?
ठीक, मैं सर एक पेज लिखवा दूं आपको बस. CMA नंबर 5944 of 2024. Sorry, 5914 of 2024, sir. 5914 of 2024.
ये आपकी है.
जी सर. मैं सिर्फ पेज नंबर लिखवा रहा हूँ. इस पे पेज 12 पे JUIF का शुरू होता है कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन, और एग्जैक्टली वही क्लॉज पेज 16 पे, and they have been given 1 reserved seats for non-Muslims. Let me move on.
कौन सा पेज है?
Sir, पेज 12 से शुरू होता है एंड पेज 16 पे वो क्लॉज है, उसका वो भी क्लॉज नंबर 3 है, नंबर 1
पढ़ दीजिए
जी। हर बालिग मुसलमान जमीयतुल उलमा इस्लाम का रुकन बन
that it did its best to make conduct the elections fairly, just, because that is very crucial. And here we have a situation where the major political party for which the actual stakeholders had voted, they were, whether it was mala fide or for whatever reason, were excluded from that political process. It is about the fundamental rights of the people. It's not about political parties. But again, you see, when we come to 51D, you see, it's exclusively the right of the political parties. It does not give any weightage to the independents. It's all about exclusion. Yes, as my lord has correctly stated, there were serious questions raised regarding the elections that were conducted in 2018, and it had raised serious questions on the Election Commission as well. So, are we going to repeat that? Are we just remain silent about it and allow the people to suffer and their fundamental rights be violated? And that is what is not being argued on behalf of those actual stakeholders.
My lord, and that vote is reflected in terms of adopting a system of proportionate representation. If that is not adopted, what will happen is a minority government is converted into a government which is 2/3 majority. That should not happen. That is disproportionate representation. My lord, now to the point of these independents. Now, the learned Attorney General had said that the way these seats are distributed, these leftover seats so-called, is because independents are to be excluded. Where are the independents? Page 5 देखिएगा आप, CMA 5840 of 2024. ये independents कहा जा रहा है. These are not independents. CMA ये इलेक्शन कमीशन की है, 5840 of 2024, पेज 5. जी सर, पेज 5 सर, ये उनका फॉर्मुलेशंस.
अभी तो आप इंडिपेंडेंट नहीं है इसमें तो.
नहीं, मैं आपको दिखा, वही बात. This is exactly.
You are not independent at present, but at the time when the seats were distributed, you were independent.
No, we were not even independent then. ये आप देखिए पेज 5 पे.
आप पढ़ रहे कौन सा बदल?
जो 2 लाइनें ऊपर की छोड़ दें, उसके बाद मैं पढ़ रहा हूँ. ये डेट्स दी हुई हैं 15/2/2024, अगर आपके पास सबको मिल गया है, 18/2/2024. This is what the Election Commission says.
Please.
Between this period, independent candidates joined various political parties, including the SIC. अब आगे लफ्ज देखें. In accordance with and within the time period prescribed in the proviso to Article 51(6)(d), 51(6)(e), and 106(3)(c) of the Constitution, read with the proviso to Rule 92(6) of the Election Rule 2007.
ये बताएं फैजल साहब, देखिए जिस शख्स ने
सही.
इंडिपेंडेंट ने ज्वाइन किया, जाहिर है आप SIC ज्वाइन किया आपने.
Sir, Election Commission has recognized that we joined in accordance with 51 sub-article 6 para D. How can they then deny us reserve seats?
सर देखिए साहब,
या तो वो ये स्टांस लेते.
ये बताएं कि अगर कोई कैंडिडेट जिसके डिक्लेरेशन भी एक मखसूस पार्टी से हो और उसी पार्टी के उसके पास एफिलिएशन सर्टिफिकेट भी हो, क्या वो इंडिपेंडेंट होगा या पार्टी कैंडिडेट होगा?
सर इस पे इलेक्शन कमीशन ने
नहीं, आपसे जवाब पूछ रहा हूं।
सर मेरा अपना व्यू ये है, दिस इज माय इंडिपेंडेंट व्यू, वो इंडिपेंडेंट नहीं होगा बट इलेक्शन
अगर वो इंडिपेंडेंट नहीं है तो क्या वो किसी पार्टी में जा सकता है
सर
और अगर जाएगा तो क्या इंडिपेंडेंट के बगैर अगर कोई कैंडिडेट जाता है किसी और पार्टी का, क्या वो उस सीट का हकदार होगा तो वो पार्टी क्यों?
Sir, the point is, you have intervening events of the regulator. Unless and until all of that is reversed, this question cannot be answered in the abstraction. Election Commission, agar consistent रहता, तो उनकी this is something which your lordship Justice Mazhar had
आप एक
pointed
कार
out.
कर सकते हैं, आप उनको कह देंगे सॉरी हम आपको नहीं लेंगे,
जी।
यू बिलोंग टू सर्टेन पार्टी,
Yes.
आप रिफ्यूज करते हैं,
नहीं।
आपने कहा कि वेलकम।
नहीं, मैं रिफ्यूज क्यों करूं सर, कोई मेरी पार्टी ज्वाइन कर रहा है, बट इट इज अ पॉइंट which had fundamentally been raised by Justice Mazhar at the first date of hearing at the leave granting stage, which is the consistent position of the Election Commission. If it wanted to, it should have said no, you cannot join SIC because it has not gained any seats.
चलिए यहाँ पे एक सवाल
ये
और-
कंसिस्टेंट पोजीशन होती कि
यहाँ पे
59
यहाँ पे सवाल एक और
सब
बनता है।
आर्टिकल 6 पैराग्राफ डी आप पे अप्लाई नहीं करता।
यहाँ पे एक सवाल और बनता है कि क्या एक कैंडिडेट अगर किसी पार्टी, छोड़ दे सिचुएशन को, किसी पार्टी का एक शख्स दूसरी पार्टी में शामिल होना चाहता है, एक पार्टी के टिकट पे इलेक्ट हुआ लेकिन दूसरी पार्टी में जा रहे, क्या इलेक्शन कमीशन उसको मना कर सकता है? उसके लिए तो 63 ये बताया गया, द पार्टी एड में प्रोसीड अगेंस्ट, दैट्स ऑल।
63A kicks in after the parliament comes into existence. It's not before that. सर एक पेज इस पे और देख लें, इलेक्शन कमीशन की
फैसल सिद्दीकी साहब, आपकी पार्टी को तो बोनस मिल गया ना, आपने इलेक्शन में हिस्सा लिया ना आपने कोई सीट जीती, और 90-95 लोग जो कि जीते हुए थे इलेक्शन उन्होंने आपकी पार्टी को ज्वाइन कर लिया, तो ये तो इट्स अ टाइप ऑफ अ बोनस रिसीव बाय योर पार्टी।
thanks to the election commission, sir. If the election commission
इट इज नॉट द क्वेश्चन ऑफ इलेक्शन कमीशन,
Yes, if-
और ये फॉर्मुलेशंस नहीं है फैसल सिद्दीकी साहब, दीज आर द फैक्ट्स written by the election commission, not the formulations.
No, they have
इनके सुन तो लीजिए, इनके फॉर्मुलेशन शुरू होते हैं पेज 7 से फैसल सिद्दीकी साहब, माय डियर।
नहीं, फैसल साहब इसलिए आए कि
अच्छा आप पेज 75
फैसल साहब-
देख लें आप जी।
आपको ये कहना चाहिए कि उस बोनस का फायदा कोई नहीं होगा। This is the-
लेकिन गालिब ने इससे कहा
फैसल
था
साहब, क्या ये दुरुस्त होगा अंडरस्टैंडिंग आपकी आर्ग्यूमेंट से कि the elections were free and fair, everything was normal, and you see there was some insanity in taking this extraordinary course by a major political party for which people had voted?
That is exactly why it was taken, and the record is before your lordship. If your lordship thinks that the election commission has acted justly, fairly and honestly, we have no case before your lordship. My lord, इस पे मैं एक पेज और दिखा दूं, पेज 75 देख लीजिएगा इसी समय में, and I am on my last point after this.
अगर हम ये कहें कि
जी
फॉर द सेक ऑफ आर्गुमेंट्स, अगर हम ये कहें कि इलेक्शन कमीशन ने गलत किया, देन यू हैव अ केस।
Sir, then your lordship has to reverse everything.
And again,
That is up to your
will have
lordship.
no case.
No, that is up to your lordship. But वो जो order है of allowing the joining of independents SIC, my lord, how was that order passed? क्योंकि ये सवाल उठा था कि वो notification किस provision के अंडर, वो मैं आपको provision दिखाऊंगा। पहले पेज 75 मैं लिखवा दूं आपको। So this is which has the heading brief synopsis.
ये प्लास्टिक वाला
जी सर, thank you.
प्लास्टिक ये
ये किसका है
So this is filed by me, sir.
जी?
This is filed by the petitioner, sir.
अच्छा आप हाँ।
Page 4 पे, sir. Your lordships will recall, and your ladyship, that an interesting argument was put forward by observations made by Justice Munib Akhtar regarding section 67, subsection 2 of the Election Act, that if a person is a member of a political party and nominated by it, then he cannot be given any election symbol but of that political party. This is exactly what the Election Commission ordered on 13 January 2024. This is the order. If I may read first paragraph. Page 4, whereas numerous applications received from various persons that many interested candidates are intending to violate and deceive the election commission and in clear terms violate the affidavit already given with their nomination papers. फिर वो provisions reproduced हैं. अगर मैं next page पे आ जाऊं to save time. Page 5, whereas it is mandatory for every candidate to file an affidavit form F in order to verify on oath form A as well as verification in form A in regard to affiliation of any political party or otherwise, and many candidates who had filed their nomination paper with declaration under section 66 of the Election Act 2017 be members of a specific political party and intending to contest election on the symbol of that very political party of which that candidate was member, now without leaving his previous party become member of another political party, which is against the provisions of section 203(3) of Elections Act 2017 and such acts of such candidates the violation of affidavit filed along with the nomination papers, which strictly comes
The word includes as if it only means added to. The word includes is a general umbrella term. If I say this class includes boys and girls, it does not mean that there has to be at least one boy for girls to be allowed into that class. This course includes both boys and girls. It's simply saying that when everything has been taken into account,
without a single person, boy or girl.
yes, anybody can be included.
बात तो सुने जी किसी बच्चे और बच्ची के बगैर क्लास होगा
No, वो ये कह रहे हैं कि आप ज्वाइन कर लेंगे.
इसी को ज्वाइन करेंगे
So join किसको करेंगे? A political party exists outside parliament. We know political parties exist outside parliament. So I'm submitting there is no language. Your lordships will have to introduce something to the language in order to create this restriction. I read on. It is submitted that the Peshawar added to. The word includes is a general term used to describe the members of a category. It does not necessarily mean addition to something that exists. Dictionaries may be consulted. I've placed a number of dictionaries which if I may be allowed, I'll just hand over. That the word includes never or very rarely means added to. Number 5, the ECP order merely assumes that reserved seats can only be granted to parties that have won at least one seat during polling. I find no real reasoning in the ECP order. The Peshawar High Court at least tries to provide some reasoning, but the ECP assumes that this is the situation. This departs from the reading of Article 51(6) by the ECP in Faisal Siddiqui Saab just read, and I actually on my own felt uncomfortable. So I gave it, and within 5 minutes I took it back. I said, no, come what may, I'm going to contest as PTI.
Since you keep bringing your person into the matter,
They filed my papers, sir. They filed my papers. I did not.
Can you just let for the question? If I ask you today, because there's a statutory declaration which says you belong to Nazira.
I would not, my God. No, I know what my Lord is saying. मेरी एक बात सुनिए.
बात तो सुनने.
There's a reason why I'm interrupting with great respect.
No.
This is a matter before the courts. I would request my Lord not to make any comment.
I'm not making a. Please, it's not a comment, it's a question.
My Lord.
The statute declaration which shows you as Nazarati, there's a certificate which you referred to which shows you as PTI, and now you're saying you are Sunni Ittihad.
I'm not.
You may not respond to it.
Now, can you just tell me which political party you belong to?
I do not want to respond to this question. I remain PTI because
You are not before us.
Yes,
You're not before us.
You keep referring to yourself.
They filed my papers. I don't know why they filed my papers.
You are partyless. I mean, it's not a state secret.
But me-
It's a factual plea.
But me, the person, Salman Akram Raja, is not relevant. I will, with great respect, not answer that question at the moment.
We are asking you which political party you belong to, you don't want to answer.
But as far as Kamal Shazab is concerned, she is PTI and she will join SIC if SIC is allowed seats. I'm very grateful for that opportunity. I've done my duty, but I've placed my points before the court. Now it's for the court
Raja Sahab,
to decide.
आपसे भी सच नहीं बोला जा रहा.
सच बिल्कुल बोला जा रहा है.
2018 में PMLN के साथ वही हो रहा था जो आज PTI के साथ हो रहा है. And nobody speaks the truth. This is something known to everyone.
Sir, I've written
And that
it
is
down.
how Constitution should be interpreted to uphold the democratic principles and the structure, and particularly the rights of those voters who have been wronged.
CMA 5913 states all of that. I urge the court to read my CMA 5913 on behalf of PTI. We've explained what we were facing.
Concluded or anything left?
I'm very grateful for that opportunity.
Everyone concluded? Yes. Chal. Fine. Reserve. ठीक. इसमें लिखिए. हाँ? हाँ?
इन्होंने
अच्छा ठीक है रिजर्व है बस रिजर्व ही ले बस एक ही लफ्ज चल कंक्लूड कर देते law. It will be a long order. Anyways, we haven't discussed, so we can't say anything. It will be reserved.
Very kind, very grateful to all your lordships
you.
and to your ladyship. Thank you, sir.